All right, are you ready to build the sword?
Yep.
All right, so first we got to put the guard on. So that slides on. Push it on. Good job. Okay, so now this, hold on, we got to put the little hands on. So that's what these are for. We're going to lay these in just like that, but we got to put some glue on first. Okay, so let's put a little bit of dab of glue. Okay, put a little bit of glue right there. That's it. Okay, and then we're just going to spray it real quick. Okay, and then we're going to put a little bit of dab underneath here. So you want to put some glue right here.
So where?
Put a little bit right in there in that crack. That's good. And this is an activator, so this makes it dry real fast, instantly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so next what we want to do is we want to lay these on.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little drop of glue like right here. Ooh. Okay. Okay, drop of glue right here. Okay, and put one right there in the middle.
Okay.
Okay. So then we're going to lay this on it.
Mm-hmm.
Now and then I'm going to spray it and it's going to harden it. Okay. We're going to use this little dowel that we have that we're going to put in the end to push it down, make sure it gets in.
Whoa, that's cool.
Okay. All right, so that's in. Now we're going to do the other side. So we have to put this one on here just like this too. So put 3 little drops. Okay, so then we're going to put it on just like this.
Okay.
This helps build the handle. And then we're going to spray it. And then just use the dowel that we're going to put just to make sure it pushes in. All right, so now what we want to do is you want to put some glue in that little hole. You don't need much. Got it in there? Okay, that's good. Let me make sure. I think so. All right, so then hold on, wait. We have to activate it. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray this little stuff on here. And now put it in and push it in all the way. Just don't get it on your fingers. All right? Here,
Like
do this.
lava. Almost.
There you go.
Touch it, it's there forever.
Yeah, okay, so then what we're going to do is now we're going to put some glue on the
This
hilt.
one?
Yes.
Okay.
So, this is the last thing we're going to do. So the next thing we want to do is we want to put our handle together. But what we're going to do is we're just going to put some glue. So put a drop of glue right there,
Okay.
right in that little corner. Good job. And then we are going to use this so we don't get our hands sticky. And we're just gonna hold it there. And I'm gonna spray this accelerant on it.
Shouldn't we just have got gloves?
Yeah, probably. All right, so we're putting that on there, let that dry. Okay, so then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap this.
Okay.
So we're gonna wrap all the way around. We just wrap it like this. And this makes the handle.
Okay.
You wanna try?
Sure.
Wrap it around. Just keep it tight and pull it around. There you go. Yep. Good job. Here we can.
This is harder than it looked like.
Yeah, it takes a little bit of practice. I'm gonna move this out of the way. All right, got it? There you go. You got the hang of it.
And
Yep, keep going. You want to get to the very, very end. You got it? Is it twisting on you? Yeah. Okay. All right, hold on. There you go. Okay, so now that we're at the end, you want to make sure that this gets tucked under. So we're going to cut it. Okay.
oh, that's a mess.
Right here, pull this real tight. Pull this real tight.
Wait, what?
Pull the rope. No, this right here.
Okay.
Pull it real tight. I'm going to cut it. All right. Now,
Glue.
we're going to glue it. Now, this is a little trickier. Put some glue right in here.
Okay.
And I'm going to put glue around the little knob. Okay, now what you're going to do is we're going to spray this little thing. And then now we're going to put this little on. And there. We're going to let it dry. All right, so we made our sword. You ready to go sword fight?
Sure.
All right, meet you out in the yard.
I'm lit.